Welcome to the world of garage doors, the largest moving component in your entire home. Today, we're going to explore this intricate system that combines robust mechanics with advanced electronics. Our journey begins with the understanding that the garage door system can be broken down into two main categories. First, the garage door assembly, which includes the door itself and all its mechanical parts like springs, cables, and rollers. And second, the electronics, consisting of the opener and its components which control and monitor the door's operation. Let's use the human body as a metaphor to help us understand this system better. The brain, that's the opener, equipped with the intelligence to manage the door's movements, ensuring safety and efficiency with every operation. The body, that's the door itself, the most visible part, protecting and enhancing the front of your home. The muscles, these are the springs, providing the strength needed to lift and lower the door with ease. And the bones, these include the hardware components such as the rollers, hinges, drums, cables, and tracks within the garage door assembly. They work together to ensure the door moves smoothly and stays aligned, just like bones support our bodies. By understanding these parts, the body, the brain, the muscles, and the bones, you gain insights into how to maintain and enhance your garage door system for years of reliable use. Fun fact, did you know that according to the 2024 Remodel Magazine's Cost versus Value report, upgrading your garage door is found to have the highest return on investment at an average of 194%. That's higher than even light to medium kitchen and bath remodels. Let's talk about the unsung heroes of your garage door system, the rollers. These small but mighty components are responsible for keeping your door moving quietly and smoothly every time you open or close it. Rollers guide the door along the tracks, ensuring alignment and stability. They are attached to brackets on the garage door, rotating as the door moves to keep everything balanced and running smoothly. By bearing the door's weight and maintaining balance, rollers reduce strain on the opener and ensure consistent, safe operation. Over time, builder-grade metal rollers wear out, leading to noise, jerky movement, and unnecessary strain on your system. With their quiet operation and reduced wear, nylon rollers with ball bearings play a key role in keeping your garage door system running smoothly and efficiently for years to come. A well-maintained garage door system starts with understanding its components, and rollers are one of the most important pieces of the puzzle. Garage door tracks are the guiding rails of your system, directing the door's movement with precision and keeping everything on the right path. The tracks are metal rails installed on both sides of the door, responsible for directing its movement as it opens and closes. There are two types: the vertical track, which runs up and down to guide the door as it lifts, and the horizontal track, which holds the door in place when it's open. Properly aligned tracks prevent unnecessary strain on other components like rollers and springs, keeping the system running safely and efficiently. Tracks must remain free from debris and damage to function properly. Misaligned or obstructed tracks can lead to jerky movements or even stop the door from operating altogether. Whether vertical or horizontal, tracks play a critical role in the garage door system, ensuring safe and smooth operation every time. Springs are the muscle and powerhouse of your garage door system, handling the heavy lifting every time the door moves. The most common type is the torsion spring system, where springs are typically mounted above the door and twist to store and release energy. This system is known for its durability and precise balance, typically lasting about 10,000 cycles. Torsion springs counterbalance the door's weight, making movement possible. Without them, the door would be far too heavy to open or close at all. There are also other systems, such as extension springs, which stretch along the sides of the door, and torque master systems, which enclose the spring. However, these systems are often considered outdated and less durable than torsion springs. Garage door springs are under extreme tension and should never be adjusted or repaired by anyone but a trained professional. Attempting to work on a spring can lead to serious injury or even death. Now, understanding how torsion springs work, their lifespan, and the importance of professional maintenance helps ensure your garage door system remains safe, efficient, and reliable. Panels are the body of your garage door, defining its style, function, and how it complements your home. Beyond looks, the type of panel you choose plays a significant role in energy efficiency, durability, and curb appeal. There are two primary types of panels: insulated and non-insulated. Insulated panels feature layers of material that offer improved energy efficiency, quieter operation, and enhanced durability. Non-insulated panels, while more affordable, are best suited for garages that don't require climate control. Garage door designs come in a range of styles, each suited to different needs and aesthetics. Foundational styles like short panel, long panel, and flush panel are essential, widely used designs that offer simplicity and versatility. For a traditional look with added character, classic styles include options like stamped carriage house, stamped shaker, and plank. These designs are perfect for blending charm with functionality. Signature styles, such as overlay carriage house and full-view aluminum, make a bold statement with distinctive craftsmanship and modern elegance. For premium performance and advanced features, elite styles like the luxury insulated series deliver exceptional durability, insulation, and a striking appearance. The type of panel you choose also impacts energy efficiency. Insulated panels help regulate temperatures, keeping garages warmer in winter and cooler in summer, which is especially important for garages that are connected to the home. And let's not forget curb appeal. A well-chosen garage door can dramatically enhance your home's exterior, making it more inviting and increasing its overall value. Whether you prioritize energy efficiency, durability, or making a design statement, the right garage door panels combine form and function to elevate your home. Hinges are the flexible joints of your garage door, connecting the panels and allowing them to fold smoothly as the door moves. As the door opens and closes, the hinges pivot, guiding each panel into place along the tracks. This flexibility ensures smooth, reliable movement every time. Hinges also play a key role in distributing the door's weight across the panels, reducing strain on other components like the rollers and tracks. Durable hinges made from thicker metal help reduce wear and tear, minimizing issues like noisy operation, misalignment, or even panel damage over time. Though small, hinges are vital to your garage door's flexibility and longevity, ensuring reliable performance with every movement. Taking care of your garage door hinges means taking care of the entire system. With the right maintenance, these small but essential parts keep everything running like clockwork. The bottom weather strip is the protector of your garage door, creating a barrier that keeps out rain, wind, dirt, and even pests like bugs and small critters. This durable strip also enhances the door's appearance, creating a flush, clean line where the door meets the ground, giving the entire system a polished, seamless look. Beyond protection, the bottom weather strip plays a role in energy efficiency. By sealing gaps, it prevents drafts that can cause temperature fluctuations, especially in attached garages, helping keep your home comfortable and energy costs in check. Over time, the weather strip can wear down, crack, or lose flexibility, reducing its ability to protect. Regular replacement ensures your garage stays clean, pest-free, and ready to face the elements. This small yet essential component contributes to the longevity of your garage door system, making regular maintenance well worth the effort. A sturdy bottom weather strip is your garage door's first line of defense, keeping your space secure, efficient, and looking its best. The garage door opener is the brain of your garage door system, managing the movement of the door while keeping safety and convenience at the forefront. The opener controls every aspect of the door's operation, lifting, lowering, and stopping when necessary. It ensures smooth, reliable performance while handling the weight of the door with precision. But safety is just as critical as function. Safety sensors located near the bottom of the door emit an invisible beam of light. If anything interrupts that beam, like a vehicle, a child, a pet, or an object, the door stops and reverses to prevent accidents. These sensors are a key part of creating a secure, accident-free system, making them an essential feature of any modern garage door setup. In addition to these sensors, pressure sensors in the opener detect resistance if the door comes into contact with something outside the sensor's beam, like a vehicle, and will automatically reverse to help avoid damage or injury. Today's openers also come with advanced features that enhance functionality and convenience. Battery backup ensures that even during power outages, your garage door continues to operate seamlessly. With MyQ Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control your garage door remotely using your smartphone. Get real-time updates, grant guest access, schedule deliveries, and integrate with smart home systems, all from the palm of your hand. Some openers also come with a built-in camera, offering live video monitoring, motion detection, and even two-way communication for added security and peace of mind. Whether it's advanced safety, seamless operation, or smart technology, the opener is evolving to meet the demands of today's connected lifestyle. By combining innovative technology with tried-and-true safety measures, the garage door opener continues to redefine convenience, security, and reliability in your home. Drums are the precision tools of your garage door system, guiding the cables that lift and lower the door with perfect balance. Located at each end of the torsion spring shaft, drums play a critical role in maintaining balance as the cables wind and unwind. This precise motion ensures the door moves evenly, preventing tilting or binding during operation. Without properly functioning drums, the cables can slip, fray, or become uneven, leading to jerky movements or even causing the door to get stuck. Common issues, such as rust, dents, or wear on the grooves, can disrupt the system and compromise safety. Regular maintenance helps identify these problems early, keeping your door functioning reliably. Though often overlooked, the drums are essential to the precision and balance of your garage door system, ensuring safe and seamless operation every time. Cables are the strength behind your garage door, bearing the weight and working with the springs to lift and lower the door safely and efficiently. Attached to the bottom of the door and winding around the drums, cables are responsible for supporting the door's weight. They work in perfect coordination with the torsion springs to ensure smooth and balanced operation. Without strong, properly functioning cables, the door can become unbalanced, difficult to move, or even dangerous to operate. Checking for signs of fraying, rust, or wear is critical for safety. Damaged cables can snap under pressure, putting your door and anyone nearby at serious risk. Cables may seem like a small part, but they are essential to the strength, safety, and reliability of your garage door system. Remotes, keypads, and wall buttons give you control at your fingertips, combining convenience and security in your garage door system. The garage door remote allows you to open or close the door with just the press of a button, offering easy access whether you're in your car or inside your home. Keypads provide a secure way to grant access without needing a physical key or remote. With programmable codes, you can control who enters and when, enhancing convenience for guests or service providers. The wall button is your go-to for quick, reliable control when entering or exiting the garage. Its straightforward design ensures dependable access every time. Some systems also integrate with smartphone apps, offering real-time control, activity monitoring, and even smart home compatibility for ultimate convenience. Together, remotes, keypads, and wall buttons keep your garage door system easy to use, secure, and perfectly in tune with your lifestyle.